Scorpio, what's poppin'? Song that's playing for you is that go. So you may be in a state of go. Look, regarding emotional investments, you may want to take your emotions somewhere you feel happily, like you feel like your emotions are fulfilled in some way, shape, or form. And look, behind that is the foundation. You feel it's like you want to take your emotions to somewhere you want to invest in something that's worth the investment. I mean, you put yourself or you have become balanced regarding your emotions, and you are ready to express those emotions. You about to find out though. It's like you're ready to go. That or you telling somebody to go. Look, you're done being immature regarding emotions. Oops. All right. Ew, all right. Oh, God. You may be dealing with a Pisces. Pisces had the same card on the bottom, and it's crazy. You know what? We just finna go. All right. You may be ending something that you invested in for a long time, Scorpio. Whether it's an idea you've been trying to manifest this idea, or you've been thinking this way, or you've been talking to this person, or you've been working at this job for a very long time, and you realize it is not a good investment, or you are still in that investment and you're realizing it is not a good investment. Pisces had the same card on the bottom, but it's a different tone for you off rip. Looks, you're done accepting immature emotions, or you are, and you may be it's like you are done. I almost said bullshitting. You're done bullshitting regarding immature emotions, and you are voicing your opinion, or just you're communicating. Even though it's like you thought at one point you thought something was already known or expressed regarding how you feel about something, but now it's like you're communicating that, or you're restating or reiterating that, and you're not doing it in an immature way anymore. So you may be you're taking your emotions somewhere. What song is this? All of a sudden, see? Now I'm up all of a sudden. It's like you woke up and you realize you got the strength to do something, so you're gonna do it. See, look, you done now. This could be somebody lying to you, because this is the second card out. See, so it's like you're done accepting immature emotions, and it's you may be dealing with a high priestess in reverse. So it's like somebody outside of you was portraying themselves as the high priestess, someone who was truthful, someone who was just, boom, putting you in a cold situation regarding whatever this situation is. Look, somebody was giving you false ideas. What's behind that? But you know the truth now. And it's like, this is the Queen of Swords. So it's like, you know the truth for yourself. Internally, you know the truth. And because you know the truth internally, all of a sudden, it's like you can't ignore the truth. So it's like a switch flipped mentally for you. Almost like you were in a dark room and then the lights turned on. Now you're not accepting immature emotions from this high priestess in reverse. Or it's like, damn, everybody getting this shit, bro. Pisces got this, Capricorn got this. And then Pisces had this. What was on the split was the Magician. You manifesting now. And that may require you to lose something though. Lose something you thought was long term, or lose something you invested in for a while. in order to manifest. It's like in order to expand, you gotta contract type situation. You gotta, whether you should look, devil in reverse. So it's like at whatever this was, if this was a person, place, or thing outside of you, you were chained to the devil, and now you are not chained to the devil anymore. Look, something was being a false emperor in your life. But look, again, you know the truth though. And now you're not accepting immature emotions anymore. You may not even, it's like you're not accepting emotional ideas anymore, or emotion-based ideas, or feeling-based ideas or expressions. Because you can see through emotions now. Look, again, yo, Knight of Cups. And you may be taking your emotions somewhere. You got an idea, and now you may want to enact that idea. It came to you as soon as you separated from whatever this was. I'm telling you, like last time you were being used, and this time it's like you making some shit happen. You made some shit happen since the last one. So now you getting back, you getting your groove back, and you ready to make an emotional offer, or this is what you're building up to. I'ma fuck with you though, because you took a step back and looked at what you were working on. It's like you did a audit in your life. You went ahead and checked the inventory. You took a step back and peeped how people was moving, and just how you was like, hold on, this ain't really how, no, this ain't that. So you clean house a little bit. And then now you're ready to manifest. Or you're building up to the point to manifest. You're clearing out your karma. I'ma fuck with you, Scorpio.